welcome to BSA2B's classroom again. So, I'm going to introduce to you all our classmates for this moment. Let's see. Here's Ardel. Yeah.
What's Ardel?
Furby. Furby. Just don't mind their reactions, you know. Stay smart. Yes? Have some any suggestions, comment, valid reactions? This is the 7 things I hate about you.
Huh?
Here's Rosa, yes. Hi. Ivy, hi Ivy. Look, she's very hardworking, you know. At this night, she's still making the model, and she's very, very a model student to all of us. Yes. And this is Gladys. Gladys. Say hi, Gladys. Yes. Hi. And this is
Ay, ako na pala.
Jovi. Yes. And this is never mind. Never mind. And this is our mother in here.
Oh!
Mommy Joy. Mommy Joy.
Mother ka dyan. May
Say hi, Mother Joy. Siya ang bugaw namin dito.
Yun eh, bugaw.
And there, the two animals. There are 2 pets in here. Actually, the other one is not a pet. It's a dinosaur. Yes. Look, moon landing. Apollo landing to moon landing. And this is M to M.
Yeah!
Oh my friend. Yes? Yes. Look how yucky they are. And look, they're making again the model. Yes.
Kanina pa kaya?
They're gonna make it finish na. Never mind that one. Yes, hi. Now I found the wire. Yeah, so now you've witnessed the BSA2B classroom, and now I'm going to show you all the things na ginagawa namin dito ngayon sa classroom. So, bye again. Say bye! Guys, say hi, bye. Say bye, guys. Bye, bye. So, welcome again and bye, and stay tuned to Daily Mix Top 10. Bye.